A very good morning. Fantastic. 12:45 by the watch. This is me, Justin Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Firstly, cheers on a nice cup of coffee. This is Indian coffee brew. I've experimenting with different coffees as I've gotten over with the French press making stuff. So, as a founder, CEO, or as a regular person also, when I was not a founder CEO, I used to function, and I'm sharing one value which I function on, which is the closest to me. So all the personality traits of such a passionate person, enthusiastic person, live wire, bubbly, high energy, totally expressive, super intelligent, diligent, hardworking, smart working, far-sighted, warm, compassionate. So these are personality traits of a person. One value which I carry very close to me and which I'd like to share here by the way of YouTube. It's the fastest way to reach people because I can't reach everybody personally, unless we meet and stuff, is by sharing my thoughts and stuff. Okay, so my channel is available on YouTube. I'm on Instagram as well, and I'm on LinkedIn as well. So, what is that one driving value? So, for me, it's this thing called Kaizen, okay? Not cousin, Kaizen. Kaizen, and Kaizen means changing for the better. And, it's not like I've got this I mean, it's not like it's not that it's not something which I've kind of imbibed too much in me, but it's something which has just happened to me over the years and stuff, which I've realized. And I want to share that as you grow, as you evolve, as you work on yourself better, a lot of things get better around you and stuff. Okay. And Kaizen is a concept which I came across a few years back, and I said to myself, hey, this is what I've been doing and stuff. Even when it's about choosing friendships or circles or people or jobs or sorting out my life when it comes to whom I want to hang around with, I don't want to hang around with, who my friends going to be, who are my associates going to be, what colleagues do I want to be around and stuff. This one factor has really helped me, and I did not know till I opened up this book that this is a part of one of the biggest brands story. So we'll switch gears and we'll go on to Toyota. I opened up this page, and Kaizen and Ikigai, though I definitely have been sharing pretty proactively, but Toyota has this, trailblazer brand identity, which is Kaizen, which means to improve its manufacturing processes. Now you're seeing this change. Let's talk about Indian economy, and let's talk about the Indian scenario. We have new vehicles of EV and flexi models coming in and stuff. So I think it's a great start for a country, or a great milestone that we are achieving, because we are offering stuff which is going to be useful. And I think there's a lot of thought that's been put in innovation and farsightedness, and also looking at the practical concerns of petrol and oil and stuff. And of course, the biggest is the climate concern. So Toyota had this laboratory where all the employees were expected to be a part of this change, the change. And the factory wanted its caretakers and members and board of directors to take up the onus and responsibility of making decisions that only have to do with improvement and eliminating what it is what was unnecessary, known as muda, which is useless time or elements and stuff. Okay, so there were unneeded processes, there were systems, and there was changing happening in the work environment, and they were trying to make it more on a human point of view. And they wanted to include more and more of human thought process and emotions and stuff. And decisions which were taken after this were not taken lightly, because they wanted to introduce changes where they were analyzing everything before changing it. And what they realize is that after changing this, or after including this Kaizen concept, It led them to becoming the world's largest automobile company, and a car and cars with the lowest rate of manufacturing defects. So Kaizen has so many advantages. So when you're a person and you're working, or whatever stage of life you're in, if you make this a value of yourself where you are constantly improving, then you're definitely going to make a big deal out of yourself and stuff. Because you become a better version, you become a better person, you have more information, you have more knowledge, you work on yourself and stuff. Obviously, when you're working on yourself and you're growing up or you're transforming, so obviously, as the thought processes change, everything changes, your choices change, people you want to work with or are a part and parcel of change, environments change, jobs change, relationships change, the love scenario changes. And of course, when it comes to the corporate level or it comes to the culture level, obviously there's so many changes happening and stuff. So Kaizen is something which is not cousin, Kaizen. So constantly changing for the better, and this sticks with me because like I love jazz music, and this is something which I say and I'm going to repeat, and you may think it's just too much on my part, but yes, you have to improve. Like jazz, the notes improve and stuff, so everything improves. So work on yourself, and also read books of the top 10 or top 50 people. I'm so lucky that after a very long time I happened to reach the page of Mr. Ratan Tata, and there's so many values which come before me, and I feel that I'm so honored that I've had this privilege of meeting him 2 3 times and hearing his thoughts and stuff. So if you ever want to evolve in life and grow in life, you have to stop looking at people, regular people. They may inspire you and stuff, but when it's really about kick-ass, phenomenal works and great stuff and excellence and stuff, uh, you have to follow the top 10 or the top 50. And I know that a lot of mentors who are also imparting hope, and they are mentoring children in sports are also following this, and they've shared it somewhere during elections, that top 50 are the most important, and stuff. So if it's been voiced by the number one veteran sports person of our country, so obviously it means that my thought share makes sense and stuff, and you would like to consider including it in your own you know works and personal life and stuff. I'm not taking names here because it'll look like I'm blowing my own trumpet and stuff, but I have to take it. I mean, I've been really sharing actively on my thoughts and stuff, and I've been traveling to Leh Ladakh and stuff, and I happened to see this cricketer share it during the elections when Mrs. Rekha Gupta was elected and stuff. Before that, he kind of referred to this, and I just shared my video 2 days before that on making the right choices and following the top 10 of the industry or the world leaders and stuff. So Kaizen is going to go a long way with you. You don't have to fall for or follow people who are selling success. Why do I say this? Because there are so many colleges, there are so many institutions, they are selling degrees, they are selling certificates, they are selling speakership forums and stuff. It's become a big concern for a lot of teachers and academic people as well, also for creative people, that children in colleges and students are getting opportunities in larger platforms which nobody could even imagine. And then you have moneyed people who are paying to kind of talk there and stuff and all also, so that's a concern. So you don't even know if they're genuine enough, because they may be picking up stuff from here and there and sharing it, because you can see through this when you listen to them that they've got thoughts which actually belong to someone else. So stop cutting and pasting and copying somebody else's journey as yours. Have the courage to go through your own stuff and focus on Kaizen, because when you're in Kaizen, better things happen to you, improvement takes shape and stuff. And I think India has just done this, and kudos to Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri and to Mr. Nitin Gadkari and the entire team of people who are working in the manufacturing units for this huge initiative where we have amazing new environment friendly cars and automobiles coming in and stuff. I think it deserves a big applaud and stuff. So I'm holding my horses here. So whenever I have an opportunity to meet them, inshallah, by God's grace, I'm sure it'll happen. I think I shall be sharing my thoughts and stuff. But for now, I'm going to give you this thought to kind of include in your approach to your work, personal and professional life. Focus on Kaizen and Google it if you want. Okay. So I'm on jkapani at gmail.com, jashinkapani.im at gmail.com, and jashinkapani office at gmail.com. So work smart, work sharp, work intelligent, and please do not fall for paid success, because they just cut and copy and paste and make it a part of their own social media handles and stuff. And you'll see, if there's a if there are 3 4 groups that know each other, then most of them are posting the same words and the same captions here and there, so you know that it's not worth it. Okay, so stay original and have the courage to think differently and work on yourself, and hakuna matata. Bye bye. And lastly, cheers. Yeah, yeah, bye bye.